Major 7.0 magnitude earthquake rocked Alaska's Aleutian Islands Friday, about 1,200 miles away from Anchorage.
Neighbors say a jet-like rumble shook homes and sent several people scrambling for cover.
Several aftershocks followed the large earthquake, including one that was recorded as 4.5 magnitude. But according to NOAA's Pacific Tsunami Warning Center, a destructive Pacific-wide tsunami is not expected. Miraculously, there have been no reports of major damage and no one was hurt. According to the city manager of Adak, a village in the island, residents could feel the quake there nearly 55 miles away. But some structures in the town are built to withstand earthquakes and other forces of nature. So any damage is probably limited to things like water pipes that haven't been examined yet. Officials say the likelihood of damages and fatalities was low to begin with because the earthquake was centered far enough from land. The quake originated offshore in the subduction zone, where plates of the Earth's crust grind and dive in the bottom of the ocean. Though experts are pretty sure the danger has passed, they are still monitoring the area for potential tsunami threats and other quakes.